What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Thought You Were the One by Tommy Richman. Here's a little preview of what it's going to sound like.
I thought you were the one, I thought you were the one that got away. I thought you were the one, I thought you were the one that didn't stay.
So as you can see, I have a capo here on the 4th fret. Every chord that I teach is relative to the capo. The chords you need to know are A major 7, A major 9, G sharp minor 7, and C sharp minor 7. And I'm gonna break down each chord with you right now. First chord is an A major 7, so we're gonna put our fingers on the 1st fret of the G string and the 2nd fret of the D and the B string. It's gonna sound like this. Second chord is A major 9. So we're going to keep the same chord shape, but we're going to take our finger off of the B string of the 2nd fret, and it's going to sound like this. Alright, next chord is a G sharp minor 7. So we're going to bar the 4th fret, and we're going to put our finger on the 6th fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. Next chord is a C sharp minor 7, so we're still going to bar the 4th fret, and we're going to put our fingers on the 5th fret of the B string and the 6th fret of the D string, and it's going to sound like this. When we think about it in 4 counts, the progression will go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and it's like that through the entire song. Now, for the strumming pattern, like I always say, it's really up to you. However you want to play the song. But for me, if I were trying to match the vibe of this song, this is what I do. So down, up, mute, mute, down, up, mute, up, down, down, up, mute, mute, down, up, mute, up, down, down. Okay, so as you can see there on the very last count, I'm actually taking my finger off of the B string when we're in that C sharp minor 7 chord. So we're going from the C sharp minor 7, then we're taking off our finger here. So it's kind of making that particular sound. Now I'm pretty sure there is a proper chord name for this. I just don't know. I'm not the most expert guitar player out here. But if you do know, go ahead and comment down below. Educate us and put us on game. But I just don't know exactly what it's called. But that's what I'm doing for the song. So there you have it. I appreciate you tapping into this tutorial. Hopefully it helped you out. If it did, please comment down below and say hell yeah. And also please go ahead and like this video and share it with somebody that wants to learn this song. And right now there's going to be some videos that you should see on your screen already. Please go ahead and click any one of these tutorials, and I will see you guys on the next one.